Hello and welcome back to my channel. So myself Jasmine Ahmed, your educator for information technology for the code 402. Today I am here with another session for class 10. In this session I will discuss forms and reports. So after creation of database you create the table, then you also join multiple tables. After that you perform the queries. So uh, after performing queries, what step we do? We do form and report. Okay, what is form? So basically everyone does online form fill up. Online form fill up that is user friendly to everyone. Non-technical person can also use the form. We all know that. What is form? Some name will be given. For example, this is a form. Here it will be written as name, a blank area will be there. Then it will be written as it will be given as date of birth. Then after that you will have to enter the date of birth. Whatever form fill up you do online, for admission purpose we use the forms, right? So that form. Then report, the after creation of the form, the printed output is known as what? Report. Okay, so in this session today I will discuss first of all multiple choice question, then fill in the blanks and true and false. First question, which of the following toolbar contain the level tool? Level tool, whatever level, for example name level, date of birth, then your admission number, okay, your roll number, all those are what? All those are your level. So level tool is available in which toolbar? It is available in form control toolbar. Next question, the record toolbar has the button to move to the record toolbar contains the navigation button, right? The navigation button, you can move from one record to another record. Okay, from first record to the last to the first record, then next record, then previous record, that one. So it contains button for first record also, it contains button for second record also, it contains button for last record also. So it is all record. Okay, for all record, whatever movement you are doing, whatever navigation you are doing, for all record it is available. Next question, which of the following is not true about forms? Not true about form. It is the front end for data entry. Yes, it is the front end. Whenever you open a website, what happens? The first thing is you have to create your own account. Okay, so it is the front end. Next one is it contain text only. No, you can enter number also. For example your date of birth, it is a number, right? So it is not true that you can only enter text. So we have got our answer. Which one is not true about false? Not true about forms, this one. We can enter only text. It is absolutely wrong answer. We can enter any type of data. Then graphics can be inserted. It can contain only fixed number of records. Yes. Next one is, which of the following key is pressed to select only text box on the form? Only text box. If you want to select only the text box, then which key will you press? That is control key. Which of the following properties in the properties level field text box is used to insert a tooltip in the form? If you want to use the tooltip in the form, then which option is used? Help option is used. Help text. Okay. Which of the following object of LibreOffice base is used to display data retrieved from one or more table in a presentable manner? In a printable manner, in a presentable manner, I have already told in the beginning that it is report. It is what? It is report. Okay, it is report. Because what is query? We know that query is a question, form is the user friendly one, panel is the basic area. So which one is the correct to display the data that is retrieved from one or more table in a presentable manner is report. Which of the following value of date format property is selected to view a calendar in the form? While entering any date, what happens? While entering any date, what happens? The calendar is shown. I think everyone is aware of it. A calendar is shown in the form, right? So in which format it will be available? The calendar will be available in standard long data type. Okay. Which of the following command on the form control toolbar is used to toggle between design view and form view? If you want to move from design view to form view, then which one is used? The design mode is used. Okay. So these are all direct questions. That is why I'm not explaining so much. Using which of the following object in a database can a report be generated? How you can create a report? First one is by using the table, by using the queries. So both A and B. Okay. Which of the following components open along with the report wizard? If while you are opening the report wizard, which component also open along with this? Report builder is open and add field dialog box also open. Okay. Now true or false? Report is an object of database but form is not. Why form is not? Form is also object. Okay. It is also related to the database only. It is also related to the object of the database. Whatever information, because by using form we can enter information, we can delete information. So those are objects. Okay, those belongs to some entity. What is object? Object means entity. Those belongs to the entity. So it is a false statement. We can choose the layout of the form. Yes, we can choose. We can give 3D layout. We can give plain layout. We can give any type of layout. It is true. We have to add all fields of the table on the form. It is absolutely false. We can add uh, any number of field while moving from one field to another field, from the available field to the field in the form. We can move randomly whatever is required. It is not necessary that all fields from the table should be in the form also. Okay. So then there are two ways in which this will be in which there are two ways in which a form can be created. It is true. There are two ways. A report is generated in a separate window. It is true. A report is generated in a separate window. Once a control is added onto the form, it cannot be repositioned. It is false. Once a control is added on the form, it can be repositioned. Reposition means changing the position. Okay. The record toolbar has the button to add a new record. Yes, we can add a new record. We can create a report only by using a table. No, it is absolutely false. Already I have told just now, by using table, by using queries. By default, the record in a report are sorted in descending order. No, it is absolutely false. We can group data based on particular field in a report. Yes, it is true. A report can have data only in row and column format. No, it is false. We can give in group format also. Any format is available, not only row and column. We can insert both date and type of generation of report. Yes, true. A report once created cannot be edited. It is also false statement. Whatever you are doing, it can be edited. Remember it, it can be edited. In the board exam, any question may arise. Whatever you are inserting in the database, it may be a query or table or a form or report, it can be edited. Okay. A form can be used for enter in view data. Each field control, these are fill in the blanks, the highlighted portion are the blank area. Okay. Each field control consists of a level and a field value. A level and a field value is there. A level is a piece of text that specifies the data that should be entered in the field text value. So if you are creating a table form, in that form, for example, name is written here, that name is known as the level. So whatever information, you will follow that instruction, right? That name is required in this text box. So that is called as level, and the value is inserted in the text box. By default, the border of the field text value is displayed in 3D. By default, it is displayed in 3D. You can change it later on also. A tooltip is a small piece of text that is displayed when the mouse pointer is placed on a particular control on the form. Whenever you are moving your mouse control, so whatever information is related to that topic, it is displayed. That is called tooltip. a default orientation option for a report is landscape. There are two type of orientation. One is portrait, another is landscape. So the default one for a report is what? Landscape. A layout is the manner in which the level, field value, then title, etc. will be displayed in the report. So for example, my this page is in portrait. If I will change it, the art paper, like the art paper, then that art paper is in which format? It is in the landscape format. The straight one is known as the portrait. Okay, so let me give a demo. So I think it is visible. So this one is what? This one is portrait, and this side it is called landscape. This one is portrait. Is it visible? And this one is what? This one is landscape. Next, the option to insert date and time in the report is present in the insert menu. If you want to insert date or time, then it is available in the insert menu. We know that whatever information we want to insert in our database or in any application, we use insert menu. The report wizard contains how many steps? 6 steps. Okay. The dynamic type of report changes automatically as the field value in the base table or query. Dynamic means it will change on. It will change. Okay. So this is the end of today's class. I hope student this will be very helpful. In my next class, I will bring question answer of this particular chapter. Okay. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Stay tuned. Stay connected with me. Okay. Bye bye.